If a person is convicted in the state of Georgia of a sex offense against a child, they will be facing a tremendous number of years in prison and years on probation after those years in prison are concluded. The smallest sentence that you really could get for a child molestation conviction in this state, unless special circumstances are present, the smallest sentence you can get is 5 years in prison. Okay? A conviction for a child molestation carries, at the very smallest, 5 years in prison up to 20 years in prison. And that is for the offense of child molestation alone. For the offense of aggravated child molestation, which is where an act of sodomy is alleged, which just be oral sodomy or anal sodomy, either any kind of sodomy involved with a child is going to be an aggravated child molestation, and the minimum sentence for that is 25 years in prison without parole and an automatic life sentence. Most other child-related sex crimes are 25 minimum and no parole. It is the rare case that you get that it just has a child molestation charge, which is the 5-year minimum. That is a very rare case. Most people, if they are convicted of an offense against a child, are looking at 25 to 50 to 100 years without parole. It is, in many respects, it is as bad as a murder conviction. If you get convicted of a murder in Georgia and you're granted the possibility of parole on that murder, you would do a minimum of 30 years, whereas any child sex crime that you're convicted of, you're going to do at least 25 without parole and probably a lot more. The numbers you see from judges are 45, 55, 65, 75 years without parole. So in many ways treated more harshly than murder cases.